There's one more logarithm that's kind of curious, but it pops up in a lot of our real-world examples. Same thing that we discovered back when we were in exponential world. It was this idea of a natural number, a natural logarithm in this particular case. So let's say that we have some function, f of x equals log of x base e, that irrational number e. Because this pops up so many times, we created a key on our calculator for it that can be expressed as f of x equals the natural log of x. Or another way some people say is ln of x. So when you see something that says ln, that's the natural log, or ln of x, it represents the same thing as a log, but its base is e. Not a common logarithm. Common logarithms have a base of n, or a base of 10. In that case, we just drop the 10. The bases that have the functions out there that have a natural base of e, we changed it rather than log, we write it as ln of x. So you will see that as well. You also see that on your calculator. You should have an ln button as well. So you will sometimes use that to model some of the real world data that we have out there. So we have common logarithms, we have natural logarithms. They all work in the same way. All it means is it just has a different base. And because it has a different base, we write it in just a slightly different form because they're used more often than other types of bases within logarithms.